And right now at 10 o'clock, a recent report names Indiana as one of 8 states where a mystery dog illness is popping up.
News 8's Danielle Zulkowski joins us live in studio with more from the local animal hospital on what you need to know to keep your pets safe. Danielle.
Yes, well, this mystery dog illness starts with a cough, but experts are unsure just what's causing the illness. But the good news is Noah's Animal Hospital here in central Indiana is not seeing a significant increase in respiratory illnesses across its 9 locations.
Experts warn this mystery illness starts with a cough and then can include other symptoms such as sneezing, a fever, and loss of appetite.
Not all dogs will eat every day, but you know if your dog is refusing food. That's usually an early sign that something might be going on. If that is connected with a cough, with sneezing, I would recommend call your veterinarian as soon as possible.
Tom Dock is the director of communications at Noah's Animal Hospital. He says this mystery illness can be fatal, but veterinarians are unsure which cases will turn out to be deadly.
Concern right now is why are these cases going to pneumonia? And we are seeing some increased cases in pneumonia. The challenge that we're dealing with is, unlike human medicine, there's not a doggy CDC, and so we don't have any way of tracking. Are we actually seeing more increases?
Right now, experts are warning against boarding your dogs for the holidays. Having them in close quarters with other pets could help to spread this illness.
Maybe consider a pet sitter if you're boarding over the holiday time. I think right now you've just got to make sure if your dog is coughing, don't take them to boarding. Don't take them to be groomed.
The most important thing you can do is be proactive when it comes to any pet illnesses.
When you hear something happening with your dog, don't wait. I tell people every day, take your pet in, and if you find out that everything's okay, that's money well spent.
For now, flying with pets should not be a major concern.
Some reports say antibiotics are not working for this mystery illness, but the experts at Noah's Animal Hospital say the medicines are working here locally for pets in Indiana. I'm Danielle Zulkowski for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and like us on Facebook.